In this video, we'll dive into the best screwdriver sets available today. We'll compare their performance, features, and value to help you pick the perfect one for your toolbox or workshop. Not everyone needs a massive toolbox filled with dozens of specialized screwdrivers. If that's you, the CRAFTSMAN 12-piece bi-material screwdriver set is an excellent all-around option. Each screwdriver features a black oxide-coated tip for improved durability and grip, ensuring a secure fit and fastener. The bi-material handle is designed for comfort and control, with 3 distinct zones: a speed zone for quick rotations, a torque zone for heavy-duty applications, and a precision tactile zone for detailed work. Whether you're assembling furniture or working on electronics, this set has you covered. The included magnetizer/demagnetizer adds even more versatility, making it easy to handle small screws. Plus, it's backed by CRAFTSMAN's full lifetime warranty, so you know it's built to last. At $39.99, it's a solid investment for DIYers and professionals alike. If you want quality without overcomplicating your toolkit, this is a smart choice. We have plenty of screwdriver sets on the market, but not all of them offer the same level of durability and precision. What we like about WÜRTH'S set CACCIAVITI is its stainless steel construction, ensuring long-lasting performance. Designed in Italy, this set is built for professionals who need reliable tools. The ergonomic black handles provide a comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue during extended use. Whether you're tackling home repairs or working on detailed mechanical tasks, these screwdrivers offer excellent torque and control. With a flathead design, they are ideal for a variety of fastening applications. Customers rate it 4.5 out of 5 stars, praising its quality and durability. At $59.35, it's a premium option, but the superior craftsmanship justifies the price. If you want a high-performance screwdriver set that stands the test of time, this one is worth considering. Our top pick for a versatile screwdriver set is the GEARWRENCH 20-piece dual material screwdriver set. This set includes Phillips, slotted, and Torx screwdrivers, covering a wide range of applications. The tri-lobe handle design provides maximum comfort and control while reducing hand fatigue. What really stands out is the speed zone handle, which allows for faster rotation in low-torque application, saving you time on repetitive tasks. The non-slip black oxide tips ensure a secure fit in fasteners, minimizing stripping and slippage. The dual material handle isn't just comfortable, it's also oil and solvent resistant, adding to its durability. Users rate it 4.8 out of 5 stars, praising its grip and precision. If you're looking for a screwdriver set that balances performance, durability, and comfort, this one is hard to beat. It can be yours for $56.29, a solid investment for any toolbox. Insulated screwdrivers offer essential protection for electrical work, keeping you safe from high-voltage hazards. A solid choice is the KLEIN Tools 85076 INS insulated screwdriver set. This 6-piece set includes 3 Phillips, 2 slotted, and 1 square tip screwdriver, each rated for 1,000 volts. The bright orange insulation is both impact and flame resistant, providing a clear safety indicator while working on live circuits. Each tool is manufactured and assembled in the USA, ensuring high-quality craftsmanship. The cushion grip handles offer greater torque and comfort, making long tasks more manageable. Plus, a tether hole adds extra safety when working at height. Customers rate it 4.8 out of 5 stars, appreciating its durability and electrical protection. You can grab this set for $39.97, making it an affordable yet essential addition to any electrician's toolkit. If you're looking for a precision screwdriver set that's ideal for working on electronics, the KLEIN Tools 32717 Precision Screwdriver Set is an excellent choice. This set includes 39 bits, perfect for repairing Apple products like iPhones and MacBooks. It features a dual-length barrel with standard and extended-reach magnetic holders, giving you easy access to tight spaces. The powerful rare earth magnets inside the barrel securely hold fasteners, allowing for one-handed operation. The precision machined bits ensure a perfect fit with fasteners, reducing the risk of stripping. The set also comes with a cushion grip handle for greater comfort and torque, making it easy to use during extended repairs. Housed in a compact carrying case for organized storage, this set is designed for professionals and DIYers alike. At just $29.70, it's a cost-effective solution for anyone needing reliable, high-quality precision tools.